Hello, this is the assembly video instructions for your new feather rig for the sound devices MixPre 10. You'll find in the bag all the tools and screws that you need to assemble your new feather rig. Thanks a lot for your purchase. We'll start by unscrewing the 4 bolts that are on the MixPre 10. Once it's done, you can put them back in a bag when you can find it if you ever need it in the future. Next, you will place the feather rig on your MixPre and place the 4 new bolts, which are a little bit longer, on each corner of the device. You will then screw them back. Once it's done, you will do the final tightening of each screws. They don't need a lot of force, so don't screw them too hard. It could break the plastic. The bolt that will secure your receiver is made of nylon. It's a nylon bolt, so you will not damage your receiver by tightening it a little bit. Once again, please don't apply too much force when you screw it. It's only for a tight fit. If you want to replace an accessory, you just have to unscrew the bolts of the accessory. Once it's done, you can slide out the accessory and replace it by, let's say, a new receiver slot, universal. You take the same bolts, you place them, and you screw them back. Once again, you don't have to screw too tight. If you want to replace an accessory with a pouch, you will have to screw the Modulux adapter. There you go. You can slide in your new pouch. You have a release tab to slide out the pouch if you need it.